Good morning, or good afternoon, rather. We're looking at conditions that are warming up nicely as we head into the afternoon, and we're seeing some weather that is just beautiful out there. And it's not just for today. So if you're busy today and can't get out and enjoy it, we've got a nice forecast for you for the week. Let's talk about right now, though. Lunch hour looking good. We've got some 40s up in the northeast. Some of us have already reached 60 degrees. Jamestown at 60 right now. So is Sisseton. Fargo's at 57. Or 54 rather, and it's 57 in Grand Forks. And just a beautiful afternoon. It's been a while since we've warmed up to those numbers. And looking at your winds, they're out of the west, and on average here, we're looking at some places seeing the wind out of the southwest, and some winds that are at times into the teens, but that's about it. Maybe a gust or two to 20, but overall the wind shouldn't be a problem for us for today. Radar satellite, you're looking at a visible picture of the satellite, no clouds to show you. It's very quiet, and that of course means no precipitation. We do need to check in on the tropics again because we have another hurricane. This one, you could see the eye and center of circulation off the coast of Central America, currently in the Caribbean, bearing down on that area. It has been rapidly intensifying. It was a Category 1 storm this morning. Now it's a Category 3, expected to intensify further to a Category 4 as it makes landfall in the next 12 to 24 hours along the coast of Nicaragua there, with maximum sustained winds right now 120 miles per hour. And I also want to point something out. Notice the track. It looks kind of weird. Well, it's a slow mover, so it's going to be producing a lot of rain in that area, which is a big concern. But notice toward the end of that track, it kind of hooks right. We'll need to watch that for what happens with this storm beyond this time frame and see where it goes from there as far as concerns about it affecting the U.S. But right now, Central America being impacted by this storm. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner in the valley. Much quieter. We have no concerns weather-wise here today. We were looking like we're going to have a beautiful afternoon. It's already shaping up that way. Again, temperatures upper 40s to the east and getting into the 50s and 60s out to the west. Plenty of sunshine. As we head into this evening, remember the sun does set a little after 5 now because of the end of daylight saving time. This might be a little hard to get out and do that yard work this evening, but you know, even a couple of half hour or so should be pretty nice with conditions that are going to be pleasant into the nighttime hours. And this carries on. It does linger into the overnight hours and into tomorrow that we see these temperatures holding into the 30s and 40s. So we'll start off your morning hours tomorrow in that mid 30 to mid 40 range. So that's even warmer than this morning. And that sets us up for a really nice day tomorrow, which of course is election day. If you're planning to head out to the polls tomorrow, well, we've got great conditions for that, or anything you're going to be doing as you step out the door. We're looking at sunny conditions and warm weather. More places getting into the low 60s. The wind shouldn't be much of a problem. We're looking at, 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the southwest. Just looking like a beautiful day. So here's a look at your forecast for us as we head through the week. Gorgeous. It's going to be into the 60s, upper 60s by the time we get toward the end of the week. And we start seeing some changes into the weekend. I think Saturday we might be able to squeeze in another nice day, but just be aware, it'll really depend on timing, and it's still several days away. But Sunday, that's when we have our next big system. It's going to be another wind maker and the potential for rain and or snow. So we'll have to watch out for that coming up. So this is your week to take care of anything outdoors or just get out and take in some sunshine and enjoy the weather before it turns a lot colder.
I definitely agree with you. This is a perfect time to rake up those leaves that you haven't done yet. Even enjoy a drive with the windows down for right now until Saturday, but definitely enjoy it this 5 days. Thanks again, Lisa.